Hello everyone. Today we will study about microsilica under the concrete technology. Now what is microsilica? So microsilica in concrete improves its strength and durability as it provides more uniform distribution and a greater volume of hydration products and decreases the average size of pores in the cement paste. So microsilica, also known as silica fume or condensed silica fume. It is a mineral admixture composed of very fine solid glassy spheres of silicon dioxide. So it is usually found as a byproduct in the industrial manufacture of ferrosilicon and metallic silicon in high temperature electric arc furnaces. Added to that, microsilica reduce the rate of carbonation and decreases permeability to chloride. As a result, microsilica concrete is able to strongly protect reinforcement from aggressive agent. Now types of microsilica. So microsilica comes in three forms, which are powdered microsilica, condensed microsilica and slurry microsilica. Now the effects of microsilica on concrete. Here we will discuss the effect of microsilica on two types of concrete. The first one is fresh concrete and the second one is hardened concrete. So effect on fresh concrete, it reduces segregation possibilities so it can be used as pumping aid. It almost eliminates bleeding, consequently finishing work shall being early. Workability and consistency of concrete decreases. Now hardened concrete. So it reduces permeability, therefore it helps in protecting reinforcement steel from corrosion. It resists impact and cavitation. It also resists sulfate attack. It is good for heat reduction and it is also resist chemical attack. Now properties of microsilica. Microsilica is a grey, nearly white to nearly black powder. Spherical particles less than 1 mm in diameter. The bulk density of microsilica is based on the degree of densification and varies from 130 to 600 kg per meter cube. The specific gravity of microsilica ranges between 2.2 to 2.3. Now the advantages of using microsilica. It reduces thermal cracking caused by the heat of cement hydration. It improves durability to attack by sulfate and acidic waters. It also reduces the early age temperature rise. Silica fume is cheap, therefore it is cost effective. It reduces the overall slab weight and cost. Practical uses of microsilica in concrete. It produces silica fume waterproof concrete. It gives high strength concrete, shotcrete, specifying for durability. It is used in elastomeric, polymer, refractory, ceramic and rubber applications. So it is an ultrafine powder collected as a byproduct of the silicon and ferrosilicon alloy production and consists of spherical particles with an average particle diameter of 150 nm. The main field of application is as pozzolanic material for high performance concrete. The first testing of silica fume in Portland cement based concrete was carried out in 1952. The biggest drawback to exploring the properties of silica fume was the lack of material with which to experiment. The early research used an expensive additive called fumed silica and amorphous from of silica made by combustion of silicon tetrachloride in a hydrogen oxygen flame. So silica fume on the other hand is a very fine pozzolanic material, a byproduct of the production of elemental silicon or ferrosilicon alloys in electric arc furnace. So microsilica or silica fume is an excellent admixture for concrete as it leads to better engineering properties. It reduces thermal cracking, improves durability and increases strength. So silica fume concrete has a number of construction applications. So here we can understand the importance of microsilica in our construction projects. So thanks for watching this.